I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select Action Livestorm. Give here an API key, so please visit the Livestorm API token. Generate a token. Give here a meaningful name. Give here right permissions. Generate a token. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Livestorm site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Livestorm site. Thanks for watching.